see a fish! A big fish!
Good. The sea is beautiful today.
I love this trip. The sky is so blue. How far is the island, Dad?
Not far. Maybe 1 hour.
1 hour? That is a long time. Look at the sky, Tom. What?
Oh.
The sky is gray now. I think a storm is coming.
Yes. The wind is strong now.
I am scared, Mom. Don't worry, Jack. It is okay.
Hold on! Hold on!
Ah! Dad!
Be careful!
Tom, are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. Are you okay?
I am okay, but I am wet.
Look! There is an island!
Yes! We go to the island, now! Wow, this island is beautiful. Yes, but we are lost.
We need help.
What do we do, Mom? First, we look around. We need water. We need food. And fire. We need fire.
Yes. Good thinking, Jack.
Dad, I want to name this island.
Name the island?
Yes, I want to call it Jack Island. Ha!
Very good, Jack. Okay, this is Jack Island.
Yes! It is my island. Tom, we need to find water first.
Yes, you are right. Let's go.
Wait, do animals live here?
Maybe small animals. Birds.
Are they dangerous? No, don't worry. Okay, let's go. Look, a big tree.
Yes, this island has many trees.
Trees are good. We can sleep under the trees.
Sleep here? Outside?
Yes, Jack. We have no hotel tonight.
That is cool. Like camping. Yes.
Yes, like camping. But more. Exciting.
Dad! Come here! Come here! Look over there! Water! I see water!
Where? I don't see it.
There! Behind the big rock. Oh, yes! He is right!
I see it. Good job, Jack.
I found water! I am the best!
Is it good water?
Yes, it is clean water.
I am thirsty. Wait, Jack. We drink slowly.
This is good. We have water now.
Yes. Now we need food.
I am hungry too.
I know, Jack. Let's look for food.
Can we eat the trees?
No, Jack. We cannot eat trees.
Oh,
Tom, look at this tree.
What is it?
Coconuts. Many coconuts.
what is a coconut?
It is a fruit. It is big and round. It is good to eat.
Oh, I want to eat one.
How do we get them? They are up high.
Tom, you are tall. Can you reach? Dad, you are not tall enough.
Thank you, Jack.
I have an idea. Jack, can you climb?
Yes, I climb trees at the park.
Good. Climb the tree. Get the coconuts.
Be careful up there.
I am fine, Dad. Here they come. I did it!
Good job, Jack. Come down now.
We have food and water now.
Can we eat now? Yes, we eat now.
Good idea.
It is cold now.
Yes. We need a fire.
Do you know how to make a fire, Tom?
Yes. Of course. I know how.
Good.
Dad, is the fire coming?
Yes, yes. One moment.
Dad, I think the fire is not coming.
I know, Jack.
Tom, let me try.
You know how to make fire?
Yes. I read a book about it.
A book?
You did it! You made fire!
Yes.
That is amazing.
I told you I read a book.
Mom is the best.
Yes, she is.
Sit near the fire. It is warm now. This is the best camping trip ever.
Jack, we are not camping. We are lost.
I know, but it is still fun. Look at the stars, Dad.
Yes. Beautiful.
I count. 1, 2, 3. Many stars.
There are millions of stars, Jack.
Millions.
Time to sleep, Jack.
But I am not tired. Jack.
Sleep now.
Okay, Mom. Good night.
Good night, Jack.
Good night.
Are you okay, Zoe?
Yes, I am okay. But I want to go home.
Tomorrow. We make a signal tomorrow. Someone will see us.
I hope so.
Don't worry. We are together. We are safe.
Yes, together we are strong.
Good night.
Good night.
Mom! Dad! Wake up! Wake up!
What? What is it?
I see a boat. Far away. I see a boat.
Where? Show me.
There! Look over there!
Oh! Yes! I see it! A boat!
We need to signal them. Now!
What do we do?
We shout. We wave. They need to see us.
Okay! Ready! Help! Help!
We are here!
Help!
Help!
Look here!
Help! 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 Help!
Jack, you don't need to wave that fast.
But what if they don't see us?
Keep going! The boat is turning!
Ah!
It is coming this way!
Ah!
They see us! They see us!
They are here! They are here! Tom, we are okay.
Yes, we are okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We did it! We are going home!
Yes, Jack, we are going home.
Dad, can we come back to Jack Island someday?
Maybe.
Yes!